Hey Sharks, do you know what time it is?
It's time for the weekly update!
Hello, Hola, and Bonjou, PBMA families. This is Mrs. Solórzano with your weekly update for the week of October 24th, 2025. It's time to swim into another fin-tastic week. Thank you to all the sharks who participated in Unity Day. We love seeing our sharks dressed in orange and showing their support for kindness, inclusion, and standing up against bullying. We've got 2 exciting Spirit Weeks coming up at PBMA from October 27th through October 31st. At the elementary campus, students will be celebrating Red Ribbon Week, a special week focused on making healthy choices and living a drug-free lifestyle. Over at the secondary campus, it's Halloween Spirit Week. Students will get to dress up for creative theme days, show off their school spirit, and enjoy some spooky fun all week long. Make sure to check your email for more information. There's a flyer for each campus that lists all the details so you could plan your outfits. Something magical is happening at our school. The kindergarten and first grade sharks will bring their favorite stories to life during the Storybook Parade on Friday, October 31st. Families of kindergarten and first grade students, check your email for all the details and the permission slip. Our elementary school store fundraiser is still going strong. Please take a moment to send out 8 emails as shown on the website. Once completed, your child will receive a prize code to get their very own book buddy. Also, when families participate, our teachers earn gift cards to shop for school supplies at the school store. Thank you for supporting our school. Here is a message from Ms. Cooper.
Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Cooper. Our elementary campus fall book fair is coming soon. It will take place November 10th through November 14th from 8:30 a.m. until 2 o'clock p.m. Family night at the book fair will be on Thursday, November 13th from 3:30 till 6 o'clock p.m. Come join us for the elementary parent training and stay for the book fair. We need volunteers to help during the book fair. Volunteers can sign up for 1 or more sessions. AM session is 8:30 a.m. until 11 o'clock a.m. PM session, 11:30 a.m. until 2 o'clock p.m. For parent night, the session is 3:30 till 6 o'clock p.m. If you're able to help, please email me or Mrs. Solórzano. Please remember, we ask our families to give 20 hours of their time volunteering. Thank you all and see you again soon. Bye.
We are proud to support New Worlds Reading, a free literacy program that sends books right to your home each month through 5th grade. To see if your child qualifies, swim on over to newworldsreading.com. In collaboration with New Worlds Reading, we invite our elementary campus families to a family fun night on Thursday, November 13th. Enjoy an evening of reading games and activities, dinner, and free books. Register by November 6th. Yearbooks are officially on sale. Pre-order yours now for $35 and make sure you don't miss out on all the amazing memories from this school year. Yearbooks will be delivered in May, just in time to celebrate the end of an unforgettable year. Check your email for more information on how to place your order. And here are some elementary campus highlights. Our elementary campus is falling in love with learning. From falling into STEM projects and fall lines in art to math acorns, gratitude jars, apple life cycles, every hallway is bursting with creativity. We're so proud of our students and teachers for turning academics into a festive fall celebration of learning. Our curious kindergarteners in Miss Owen's class became pumpkin scientists this week. They asked big questions like, do pumpkins sink or float? Does the size or color make a difference? Through hands-on experiments, they discovered that pumpkins float no matter their size, color, or type. Afterward, they explored the inside of the pumpkin and found seeds, air, and pulp, learning all about what makes pumpkins so unique. What a fun and STEM-tastic way to explore science this fall. In Miss McCall's class, our kindergartners explored an exciting science lesson all about living things and what they need to grow. Using a giant pumpkin as their learning centerpiece, students discuss all living things, just like their pumpkin needs sunlight, water, air, and care to thrive. It was a wonderful hands-on way to connect fall fun with real-world science learning. Hey Shark family, come with me to the Marie Terciaro Media Center and check out Miss Cassie's class.
Try to make sense of how you feel.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello class.
Hi.
Hello Miss Cassie.
Hello. Hi.
How are you today, Miss Cassie?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm great. Thank you for having us and on your birthday.
Oh, thank you.
Happy birthday, Miss Cassie.
Thank you.
Birthday!
Thank you.
Everyone, let's say happy birthday to Miss Cassie.
Thank you.
All right, Miss Cassie.
Hi. Hello.
Miss Cassie, can you talk to us about what you're working on?
Okay, so this week I am talking about the color monster. The color monster is a monster who is filled with emotions and he doesn't know how to feel exactly. And so his friend here comes along and help him discover how to feel. So like she helped him organize his emotions in different jars to get him to monitor his feelings a little bit better.
Wow, and I see that the monster's different colors right here.
Yes.
I wonder what that means in the world of feelings. Boys and girls, did you get to hear the story yet?
Yeah.
Did you like the story?
Yeah.
What do you know about the colors of the monster?
Pink.
Okay, pink. What does pink mean?
Lovely. Love.
Pink means that the monster was feeling love?
Yeah.
Okay, any other colors?
Red.
Red, what does red mean?
Angry.
Mean and angry. So the monster was feeling upset and angry, so he was red. Okay, how many other colors? Tell me another color. Blue, what does blue mean?
Yellow.
Blue meant sad, the monster was sad. And I hear yellow, what does yellow mean?
Happy.
Yellow means happy? Yellow meant happy. Any other colors? Green and yellow. Green, we said yellow. What did green mean?
Calm.
Calm.
Yes.
Wow. Great job, boys and girls. And how do you feel right now?
Great.
How do you feel right now?
Happy.
What color is that?
Green.
I hear green, I hear yellow, I hear pink. So good. Oh my goodness. Great job, boys and girls. Well, I'm feeling pink.
Yes.
All right, see you next time. Bye, Miss Cassie.
Bye.
And here are some secondary campus highlights. PBMA wins first place. A big congratulations to our Wavemakers crew and Mr. Del Valle. Their video, What Makes Lantana Great, won first place in the Town of Lantana's City Government Week video contest. The team will be recognized at the Town Council meeting on Monday, October 27th at 6 p.m. Families are welcome to attend and celebrate this amazing achievement. Also, our Wavemakers crew released another exciting episode. This episode features an inspiring interview with Mr. Andrapont, where he shares about leadership and making a positive impact on our school community. They also spotlight Miss Owens, one of our amazing ESE teachers, who helps every shark reach their full potential. Be sure to watch the full episode on YouTube. And now it's time for Mrs. Short's Classroom Feature of the Week.
Hi PBMA, it's Mrs. Short, here with your secondary classroom of the week. Today we're going into Miss David's class. We're learning about central idea in some pretty amazing ways. Come on.
Hello, Miss Davids. How are you?
Hi, Miss Short. I'm doing fine today, and how are you?
I am doing well. I love how all of your students are really engaged in your lessons. Can you tell me a little bit about the different learning styles that we cover when we go through our ELA material? I saw some visual with the anchor chart, some music with your song, some dramatic play.
Okay, so I like to use a very integrated approach when I am teaching. So we have all different types of learners in the classroom, and for me, it's very important that I cater to all of your needs. Some students are going to be visual learners, so they're able to see something and they're right on. They're audio learners. They hear something. A video, a song always brings a vibe. It sets the tone for learning. We have the QAR strategy I like to ask my students questions, and that's one way in which it tells me that they're focused. So sometimes, for example, I may say, Mason, you're not paying attention, but calling his name and asking him a quick question, he snaps right back in. And of course, the anchor charts are always my favorite thing. You see how my room is colorful to reinforce my lessons. So I do, I not only have them in the classroom, but I also always make a reference to tell them, look, the anchor chart is your main source. So look on it whenever you're not certain about the concept, the standard, go to just always use what you have, and we make learning fun.
Amazing. Well, your students did a fantastic job, and you did a fantastic job as well.
Thank you, and thank you for visiting.
Thanks, Miss Davids.
See you another time.
Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can never miss an update. Goodbye, adios, and au revoir.